We are solving a question on motion under gravity. Motion under gravity. Now in this question we are given that a ball falls freely under gravity, taking your gravity to be 9.8 meters per second square from a height of 40 meters onto the top of a platform 0.8 meters above the ground. So let's quickly interpret what this means. We are told that a ball falls to a height or a platform. So that means there's a ground level, and on the ground level we have the height of the ground from where the ball is to the what? 40 meters. While there's a platform to be 0.8 meters. So we are told that the ball fell on the platform, not to the ground. The ball fell on the platform. And if you want to get the height of the ball, that means you are going to add that the edge, which is the edge of the ground, to the place we have the ball. We are going to add our answer to the 39.92 meters. Because when you try to subtract 40 by 0.8, you're going to have an answer to be 39.2 meters. So that's the height of the ball, because the ball fell on a platform, because the ball did not fall on the ground. And we're also given that our gravity, which is G, should be taken as 9.8 meters per second square. Going on with the question, it says its velocity on which the platform is. So we are asked to find the velocity at which the ball reaches the platform. Now, anytime we are dealing with motion under gravity question, there are some parameters you should keep in place. Firstly, when the ball is coming downwards, we usually have that our initial velocity is always 0 meters per second. Our gravity is always a positive value. Then our final velocity is always at maximum. So that means if I want to get my velocity, I'm going to make use of any formula that relates to velocity in motion under gravity. So this is because of that, we have that V equals to U plus or minus dt. We also have that V square equals to U square plus or minus 2gh, and we also have that H equals to UT plus or minus half gt squared. So these are the things we use for formula under motion under gravity. So look at our parameters carefully. It's only V square equals to U square plus or minus 2g that can fit in the formula. So making use of that, I'm going to have that my V square equals to U square plus or minus 2gh. The next thing to consider is what will I use? Is it the positive sign or the negative sign? So using the positive sign, because my gravity is positive, I'm going to have it as V square equals to U square plus 2gh. Now I can get the value of my velocity. So V square equals to, recall that the value we had for initial velocity was 0, that's 0 squared, then 2 times the gravity given to us was 9.8, and the height we got was 39.2. So I quickly use the calculator to do this. I'm going to have V square equals to 0 squared is 0. Now with the help of a calculator, we multiply 2 times 9.8, then multiply by 39.2. I'm having 768.32. Summing this up, I'm going to have V square equals to 768.32. The next to do is to square root the both sides to get the value of V. So square rooting the both sides. I'm going to add our V to the square root of the square root will be given as 27.71 meter per second. So this is how you solve it. Let's consider our option whether we have such an answer. Coming out our option, the right answer is option E. Option E stands as the right answer, which is 27.7 meter per second.